Imagine this. For months, Voyager 1, a spacecraft older than the Internet, older than most satellites still circling Earth, had fallen silent. 15 billion miles from home, it drifted in the unlit gulf between the stars. No signal, no heartbeat. Only silence. A silence so absolute it seemed as though the universe itself had drawn a curtain across our connection. Scientists feared the worst. After nearly half a century of relentless journeying, perhaps humanity's farthest explorer had finally succumbed to the dark. And then, just as hope was fading, a whisper returned. Not a routine status report, not a mundane systems check. What Voyager sent back shattered every expectation we had about the void. Because the emptiness beyond the sun was not empty at all. It had structure. Motion. Pressure. Boundaries. Voyager had crossed the heliopause in 2012, the moment it left the sun's protective bubble and entered true interstellar space, becoming the first human-made object to venture beyond the familiar. Many assumed it would drift silently, passing through a featureless expanse. But in April 2024, after months of broken transmissions, Voyager came back online. And what it began sending was nothing short of extraordinary. Out there, space is not quiet. It hums. A low, steady vibration pulses through the void, like the heartbeat of something vast and unseen. Voyager's plasma wave detector recorded ambient oscillations rippling across the interstellar medium. But the hum was only the beginning. Sudden spikes of plasma density, bursts of pressure, shockwaves from stars that died long before Earth existed, punctuated the emptiness. It was as though Voyager were sailing through a cosmic memory, tracing echoes from a long-forgotten past. Interstellar space, once imagined as a barren corridor, revealed itself as an ocean, dense, dynamic, alive with invisible currents. And Voyager, our tiny golden sailboat, was navigating those hidden waters. Its instruments began to paint a portrait no telescope could ever capture, a three-dimensional landscape sculpted by forces beyond human imagination. Voyager's magnetometer detected violent twists, areas where the galactic magnetic field collided with the sun's fading influence. Not chaotic turbulence, but repeating structural patterns, hinting at something extraordinary. Perhaps the Milky Way itself has a magnetic skeleton, filaments threading through the galaxy, guiding where matter gathers, where stars ignite, where radiation flows like invisible rivers. Then came the thresholds. High-energy particles streaming from distant black holes and long-dead supernovae slammed into the probe with staggering intensity. The transition wasn't gradual. It was abrupt, like stepping off a cliff. For decades, scientists assumed the heliosphere faded gently into interstellar space. Voyager proved them wrong. It isn't a shoreline. It's a wall. And beyond it, lies a universe far more alive, more structured, more breathtaking